graduation by the deans and program chairs.
Mr. Chairman, I have the honor to present to you candidates for graduation from Andres
by the Board of Trustees of Arellano University and the Commission on Higher Education. I declare you graduates with all the honor.
Aquino Chinada Jocelyn A. Atuan Dondon V. Bagawisan Susuchuan Maria Katrina C. Micaela Isabel R. Caetano Mispa Grace C. Cortez.
I intend to be a good Filipino citizen. And state your name.
A graduate of Arellano University.
Entitled Huling Sayaw by Kyla and Kamikaze. Requesting the members of the audience to please rise. The world out there